Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vishal. In this video, let's have a look on UNCREASE tool in ZModeler of ZBrush. So before going into my video, I have a question for you. Can you tell what is polygroup in ZBrush is? If you know the answer, put it in the comment section. So in this video, I would like to cover UNCREASE tool in the ZModeler. So right now, I've already creased all the polygons and I've made a full tutorial on how to crease the polygons using the ZModeler. I will share the link in the description. So let's get started with the uncreasing of those creased polygons. So if I hit spacebar on the polygons when you have picked the ZModeler, you get the ZModeler polygon actions where you could actually choose the uncrease option here. And we have different types of targets and modifiers. So if I just select any of the target, let's say in this case single poly, and then just click over there, you should be able to see those polygons have got uncreased. So if I just go to different types of targets, you get uncreasing happening on the model. So let me just go back to the crease and then choose all polygon creasing back so that I can uncrease now and explore all other options here. So here we got all sides and we got long sides and the short sides. So when I just select all sides and set it to all polygons are uncreased here. But when I say only long side, then it only selectively uncreases certain models which are longest. If I just pick the short sides, all the short side polygons or short edged polygons are uncreased. If you say all sides, every polygon in the target is going to be uncreased here. So we have again there is an option called all faces, polygroup border and polygroup inner. So all faces is going to uncrease every polygon here. Then let me choose the polygroup border. So polygroup border is nothing but the color you could see here, the green. The total green is one polygroup and the cyan is another polygroup and the blue is another polygroup. So when I say polygroup border, so you should be able to see the border edges of the polygroups are now uncreased. It works opposite when I choose polygroup inner. All the edges which are inside the polygroups are going to be uncreased. So you got transitions, which is again defining the faces. Now you should be able to see these polygon faces are parallel or going in one plane. And here the polygons are taking a turn and then taking a turn. So it's giving the shape there. So when I say all transitions, it will, no matter how the polygon is taking a transition, it's going to uncrease everything. But when I say shallow transition, and then when I just click, you should be able to see the polygons which are almost on the same plane or uncreased here. They are very shallow by transition. I mean, the shape of the change of the shape is very less here. Now, if I just choose this to sharp transitions, this is going to be the sharp transition. So it is going to uncrease those lines there. You can also control those shallow and sharp transition by angle by dragging those sliders. So let's have a look on the targets here. You have all targets, outer targets and inner targets. So I've got the brush radius and I've got all targets by default. And you should be able to see wherever I've clicked, all the faces are uncreased there. Let me choose the outer targets here. Then you should be able to see all the border of the brush is uncreased. I will show you it on the opposite side here. I should be able to see that edges are uncreased very carefully if you see there. Let me just select this and then choose inner targets, and it's going to affect the inner part of the target here and it's going to uncrease that way. We also have the edges, and this is going to work for the borders. So I'm going to select the delete option and start deleting few of the faces there. Now once that is done, I'm going to select the uncrease and then choose all edges. Okay, it's going to uncrease everything here. But when I say outer edges, it's going to uncrease only the border of the polygon there. And if I just select the inner edges, it's going to delete all the edges but leave the border creased as it is. So this is what we have in the uncrease option. So if you got any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.